कानोळे आग्वादा हांगा जे टुरिस्टाक जी पॅसेंजर बोट घेवन सायट सीइंग करपाक वयताली अशें कळोन येता की ती सायट सीइंग करतना बोटीचे इंजीन फेल जाल्ल्या कारणान ती बोट एक खडपांनी थंयसर शिरकाली आनी तेतून कळोन येता की 40 हे टुरिस्ट त्या बोटीन आसले आनी इंजीन फेल जाल्ल्या प्रमाण की ती बोट खडपांनी शिरकाली अशें दुसरें कळोन येता की ते भायर सरपा खातीर टुरिस्ट फूल स्ट्रगल करताले. मात थंयसरले लागींचे जे टुरिस्ट जे बाकीचे बिझनस करता, जे सायट सीइंग व्हरता तेंची बोट येवन तेंकां सगळ्या 40 जाणांक रेस्क्यू केल्या म्हणून कळोन येता. आतां नेमकें कितें घडलें तें कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स आनी कलंगूट पुलीस आहा तो रिपोर्ट दितले आनी कलंगूट पुलीस आहा ते फुडली इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतले. सो सांगल्या प्रमाणे त्या बोटीन 40 जे टुरिस्ट आसले तेंकां रेस्क्यू केल्या आनी हितून कसलीच कॅज्युअलिटी ही ना अशें कळोन येता.
सर एक ते आयज आग्वाद एक वेसल एक ती हितून शिरकाल्या बोट तिची अपडेट गावल्या सर? ओके.
Looks like it is a engine failure and it got drifted in those rocks
Okay.
near that Aguada. Okay.
Okay. But
So around 40 people are there where the passengers were there on board. Okay, and 4 crew. Okay, so this rescue operation they already been now taken out from the vessel.
okay, but sir टुरिस्ट आशिल्ले भितून कितले आशिल्ले?
Tourists around 40 of
अराउंड
them.
40. ओके, आता सध्या
Yeah.
चालू आहे रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन.
Yeah, so they are all being taken out. All now, I think dog season will and it will be finished by then. I think. Yeah.
Okay.
So our boat is there. Plus, the other water sports boats are also there. They are using the boats also to remove the evacuate the passengers from there.
ओके, बाय एनी चान्स सर तुमकां हेजी कितें डिटेल्स मेळ्ळ्या ती बोट ओनर जावं खंयसरले रूट खंयचो कितें आशिल्लो बोटीचो ते?
Yeah, the boat is H2O Adventure. They are the owners. H2O Adventures.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a twin hull, catamaran.
ओके. एनी रूट सर आयडेंटिफायड जाला खंयचो आशिल्लो तो बीन तेजो?
Route is just they are just taking the near to the dolphin trip, just near to the shore activities, near to the shore.
Okay.
Okay, so and sightseeing over there, I think
Okay.
that is normal what they are doing actually, but they unfortunate that looks like the engine failure over there, and so it got drifted there in the rocks.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, but now I think the situation is under control. Even our boat is also there.
Okay.
COP boat also is gone there for rescue operations.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Evacuation. So we'll see now. Most probably everything is safe and sound, but the vessel is still remain there. We will see. When the tide comes up, okay, high tide. That time we'll use a boat to take it out from there.
Okay.